my channel. This is Tiash from California, and now I'm sharing all the winter healthy soup recipes. I already shared winter special healthy and healing chicken soup recipes in my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show a very healthy, detoxifying and nourishing red soup or beetroot soup. It might sound not so tasty, but follow my recipe. We are gonna make it very tasty. I bought some organic carrots and beetroots from Trader Joe. This is not any promotional video. I'm just showing you guys where from I got it. And please try to buy the organic vegetables if you want to get the full benefits. The ingredients are very simple. You can see I have taken a beetroot, 4 carrots, 2 tomatoes, 1 garlic clove and few peanuts, and I washed them thoroughly. Now I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil in it. I'll sprinkle some pepper and salt. Then it's ready to bake. I'm gonna bake it in my oven for 40 minutes in 400-degree temperature first. After 20 minutes, I'm gonna take out the peanuts because it will burn if I keep it for a long time. After 40 minutes, I'll check the condition. If it is not ready, I will put it again. So for me, it took almost 60 minutes to cook all the vegetables. The carrots, tomatoes and onion were softer before than the beet. Beet took extra 10 minutes. And everything is ready to blend now. One thing you can see, there are some paneer. It is completely optional. My family members love paneer in everything. So in the oven proof baking dish, I added some paneer with some salt, pepper and olive oil in it. And I'm gonna put the paneer on the top of my soup. I'm peeling the tomatoes after it cooled down little bit. I will chop it into small pieces. I will also peel the beet and then everything will go in the blender, not the paneer, all other things together. And this time you need to see the salt because we are gonna pour some water in it, so it might need more salt. So this is the best time to test it. If you need more salt, feel free to add it. Paneer will not only add extra taste, but it will add extra protein too. That will make you full for long time. So if you are gonna make it as a full meal, please add the paneer. This soup is great for weight loss. Beetroot soup is a natural detox soup. You can also call it as a cleansing winter soup because beetroot is a natural detoxifier, help in detoxification process because of the betaine enzyme it contains, which helps to prevent or reduce fatty deposits in the liver. It also helps in whole body detoxification by pulling all the toxin into the colon, where they can be then evacuated. The betaine enzyme found in beets help in healthy digestion. It also help in lowering our blood pressure. It contains high level of calcium, manganese, magnesium and vitamin C, which strengthen our bones. Beetroot also promotes glowing skin. So friends, if you have any occasion that is coming soon, please add beetroot in your diet. You will see a vibrant and glowing skin soon. But always remember, even the healthy thing you should consume in moderation. Nothing should be in a huge amount that might cause health problem. And also this recipe is for a normal healthy person. If you have any medical condition, please check with your doctor before consuming any new thing. My dear friends, don't feel sad if you don't have oven at home. You can still make the soup by boiling or steaming the veggies. The peanuts you can dry roast and paneer you can saute separately. So all the steamed or boiled vegetables, then you can put it in the blender and blend it and enjoy the soup. It's very simple and very healthy. But if you have oven, I will recommend you bake the vegetables in the oven and then make the soup. It definitely enhances the taste. The oven baked beetroots are the tastiest beetroot. I added all the baked vegetables in my blender along with the peanuts and salt. Now I'm adding drinking water inside it and I'm gonna blend everything together into a nice smooth consistency. Now my delicious, vibrant, detoxifying beetroot soup is ready. You can serve it is in the normal temperature or you can warm it if you want. I'm gonna top it with some paneer and it's gonna be a full meal. It is very fulfilling, my dear friend. See the thick consistency? It's ready. Please don't wait. Make it at your home and enjoy the winter with detoxifying, healthy beetroot soup. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon with another winter soup recipe. While Eden is eating his carrots, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family so that they can also get the benefit of healthy recipes. Thank you so much.